National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Hendricks County, northwestern Morgan County, central Putnam County until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Greencastle, or 26 miles south of Crawfordsville, and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Coatesville, Stilesville, Amo, Clayton. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hendricks, Morgan, and Putnam.